Here's how to turn on Copilot in Microsoft Excel with Office 365. Ensure that your Excel app is updated to the latest version. As you can see here, under the File option, click on Options. Click Copilot on the left sidebar on the pop-up window, and select Enable Copilot. To apply these changes, a restart is required. Close Excel and open it again. Click on OK to apply the changes. If Copilot option is not showing or missing, then check under the Accounts in the bottom left corner of the window. Then, ensure that you are signed in with an active Microsoft 365 subscription and that the app is updated to the latest version. Under the About Excel option, see the current version. Otherwise, update it from Update Options and Update Now. That's it. Wait for the update to complete, then close the app and check it again. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to get a new video update.